Hello everyone. As we know, cache is collected while installing programs and doing our daily work in Linux. We will use a program called Bleachbit to clean them. Let's move on to the video without further ado. First, we open the terminal and enter the command I wrote in the video. We wait for the program to download. If you are using Arch or Fedora, you can choose to use Pacman for Arch and DNF for Fedora. Bleachbit is a free and open-source system cleaner and privacy tool designed to help users free up disk space and remove unwanted or sensitive files from their systems. It supports various operating systems. Bleachbit is often compared to other system cleaning tools like CCleaner, but is preferred by some for its open-source nature and its straightforward, minimalistic approach without ads or bundled software.
After the program is installed, we close the terminal and run Bleachbit.
By the way, it would be better if you open Bleachbit as root, but be careful. It is not possible to undo the operations you have done, so do it carefully. There are a lot of settings here. I won't mess with it too much, so the video doesn't get unnecessarily long. If you check the box that I enabled, it will check if there is a renewal every time you enter the program. When we open Bleachbit, we will see a window like this. Those under the App tab are the caches left by our package manager. Regardless of apt, DNF, or Pacman, I delete them all because they are all the same and unnecessary. The most COS is usually here, and it is recommended to delete all of them. The importance of COS here is that while installing a program, for example when downloading Firefox, it pulls firefox.deb from the app server and installs it with dpkg. If you delete Firefox and want to reinstall it, it will install directly from firefox.deb, so there is no need for internet. Under the Deep Scan tab, we can delete unnecessary swap files and backup files, as well as temporary files. Sometimes it may inform us that this process will take a long time. You can close it by saying OK. I do not touch thumbs.db. Just in case, do not mark it either. Journaled is a system logging service in Linux, part of systemd, that collects and stores log data from various services, applications, and the kernel, helping with system monitoring and troubleshooting. So if there is no log you need in the near future, you can delete it. Under the System tab, System caches delete our clipboards, damaged files, and unnecessary language packs. It also redefines our RAM and swap space by wiping them. It also deletes our temporary files and cleans the trash. The steps here can sometimes take a very long time, even hours. So make sure you have plenty of time while doing them. If you follow these steps, you will free up at least 10 gigabytes of disk space from your system. Please note that it depends on how old your system is. Go check before you mark Trasher. Maybe there is something important. After you have checked the necessary boxes, click Clean in the upper left corner. But be careful, there is no way to get back anything you delete.
Now we prepare our coffee, sit back and wait for the process to finish.
Now it cleans our RAM and swap area by wiping. I guess this will take us a long time. And now it's done. The output shows us where and what it deleted, the size of the file it deleted. Since my system is new, it's normal to have so few unnecessary files, but you may have many more. The three outputs below show how much disk space was freed, how many files it deleted, and how many special operations it performed. And that's all I showed. Of course, you can check the program and find something newer and more special. It's up to you now. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please support me. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like the video. You can beat the YouTube algorithm by commenting. Thank you.